up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Raina. Today we are doing this look right here. This is a brown orange smoky eye. I swear this look looks good on everyone. In college, I would always do this on my friends when they would ask me to do their makeup. I wear this look a lot when I'm going out and I want a more sultry look. If you guys want to see this look, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, let's just pray that this is in focus because I really wanted to test out this camera today. I haven't filmed with it yet and it is a little bit tricky. I also have a mic attached to it and I'm filming at home with no one around me, so I have no one to check. We're just gonna try our best. I am going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. And I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. So right now I already have moisturizer and aloe vera on my face. And also I will be sharing my skincare routine soon. I'm gonna go in with my regular foundation routine. So I'm going to take the No Pore Blem primer. I love this primer because it really just soaks in everything and all the products that you want to, and it doesn't ball up like other silicone primers do, so I really love this one. And then I'm going to take my prepping translucent powder and I'm going to lightly dust it all over my face. Yes, I do put a powder on before my foundation. I highly encourage you to go look at my foundation routine that I just recently posted. I kind of explained my foundation routine a little more in depth. For this video, I'm just gonna skip it if you guys want to know, but I am using the MAC Prep and Prime powder. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my tried and true Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I love this foundation. This foundation just looks good on every skin. And so I take the color 230 and I just take it all over my face. And then I just take a beauty blender and I just tap that into my skin very, very lightly. Look at this foundation, guys. Like, if you have never, I know that this is like a pretty old foundation that I'm sure everyone has been using for a really long time, but if you haven't, you guys need to try this foundation. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger, and I don't have too many blemishes, but I'm just going to conceal. I'm also going to conceal under my nose right now, and I always do under my eye bags. And I feel like this tip just really neutralizes the whole look. So I'm just going to pack in the product with this brush. It's a super dense brush. It doesn't have a name, unfortunately, but I will try to link something really similar to it. I love this brush though, and I wish it did have a name. I tried looking on Morphe's site and for some reason they don't have any of this, and I think the brush set that I got is discontinued. I think this is honestly like just like an angled dense concealer brush. This shit is bomb. It just gives you like a very airbrushed look and it really hides your blemishes, which I am a fan of. I'm going to be trying some new products, and so I'm going to be trying the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I am a very matte girl, but I think under my eyes I would like it to be a little bit radiant, and also in the places that I'm trying to highlight, so my T-zone and you know, this area right here, I would really like to make that a little more standout-ish. Tried to get a color similar to my concealer. I feel like this one might be a little more yellow, but that's okay. This is by e.l.f., by the way. This was $6. So right away, it reminds me of the Maybelline Infallible Concealer applicator. It's very, very thick and also reminds me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape. This is supposed to be the Hydrating Camo Concealer with a satin finish. That's saying a lot, girl. So I'm going to take this the way that I would normally take my brightening concealer, and that is really bright. Always take it in a little V formation, and then I take it on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose. Why not? We're going to do it on the chin. Ooh, I like how it blended out. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see, but I feel like the T-zone is just really radiating right now. She's full coverage. I'm going to put on my Laura Mercier powder I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Bronzer. This is my favorite. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Orgasm. Let's see. Today, we could find it today. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because they just take too long. I'll do a brow tutorial, I think, maybe soon. I just hate doing it on camera. It takes too freaking long. So I'll see you guys when these bad boys are on. Eyebrows are on. Go back into this e.l.f. concealer. I just concealed my brows with this concealer and I am so blown away with the consistency of this thing. Like, it's so good. I honestly really like it. I am going to be using the Lo and Behold Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this palette. It's just so versatile. Like, it just comes with so many different shades and a lot of neutrals and then the little pops of color. You can never go wrong with using this palette, period. This is my go-to look. If someone asks me to do their makeup, like in college, if my friends ask me to do their makeup for them, I would always do this look. Always. If you're friends with me, you know. I'm just gonna be using this little brush right here. Okay? This is a quick girl's guide to looking snatched, okay? I'm gonna take this nude color right here. And I'm literally gonna take this brush and just sweep it over. Just making sure that all of that concealer that we put down is set. And when I say this is a universal look, I'm talking about my friends with blue eyes, my friends with green eyes, my friends with brown eyes. Like, this looks good on everyone. Next, I'm going to take the yellow shade. I'm going to use the same brush. And right where the brow bone and the crease meet, a little above that, we're just going to lay this yellow tone on top of it. I feel like this little method, honestly, is what makes this such an easy look. It looks like it's blended out and you spent a lot of time on it. So as you can see the yellow. It's a nice little transition color. I'm gonna go in with another Morphe palette, but you can use the same palette. This is just the palette that I would use. So this is the 350 palette. This is the OG Morphe palette, okay, y'all? I'm gonna take these orange colors and I'm literally gonna mix them all together. Look at me, mixing them all together. And we are literally gonna brush this all over the lid, y'all. And then I just end it with the brow, or I'm sorry, with the crease. And you just want to make sure it's all over the lid. So once you sweep that all over the lid, you're just going to take it back into the crease. And I always go a little above the crease. My sister taught me that. And it's just kind of like a life hack. It makes it look a little more blended. Then we're going to take the same brush. I'm going to go in with this brown color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're going to put this color in the outer corner right here. And I kind of take this into a V motion. And then when there's just slightly a little bit of product left on the brush, I'm going to brush it into the crease. And then I'm going to go back into that concealer brush that I used previously to carve out my brows. And I'm just going to clean up the look a little bit. And also on my outer corner. And I'm going to take this on my bottom lash line, making sure to connect it to what we drew on the top. Okay, y'all, lashes are on, and if you were wondering, these are the Cocoa Lashes in Kira. So now we are going to finish off with the lips. I'm going to take a new one for me. This is the KKW lip liner in Nude 2. My sister went non-stop raving about this, so I was like, you know what, little girl, we're gonna try it. This is the shade of the lip liner. I like that. Well, her lip liners are very creamy, which I like and was not expecting. But I really like this lip liner color. I think it's a cute color. 10 out of 10. This is a cute little lip liner. I'm going to put on my favorite lipstick with this. Okay, low-key, I can't find my favorite lip gloss, which is the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. And I'm kind of concerned, but we're not gonna let it phase us. I'm just gonna go in with this lipstick. It's by MAC. We're gonna finish off the look with some Fenty gloss. Alrighty, and this is the final look. Very sultry. You can see that the colors really blend together. If you guys have any more suggestions on what you guys want to see, then leave them in the comments below. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.